Online shopping is huge. It's growing every year. In 2024, it's bigger than ever. People in Arizona and around the world are choosing to shop online more and more. They're doing it for convenience and for great prices. It's easy to see why online shopping is so popular. You can shop from anywhere, anytime. One platform that's attracting attention is AliExpress. AliExpress connects buyers with sellers from around the world. It's known for offering a massive selection of products at very competitive prices. This makes it a great option for savvy shoppers in Arizona looking to get the best possible deals. Arizona residents are discovering the benefits of shopping on AliExpress. One of the biggest draws is the price. You can often find items on AliExpress for significantly less than you'd pay at a local store. This is especially true for things like electronics, clothing, and home goods. Another perk is the variety. AliExpress boasts a vast catalog of products. You can find just about anything you need, from everyday essentials to unique and niche items. This makes it a treasure trove for shoppers looking for something special. Plus, AliExpress offers buyer protection features. This provides an extra layer of security for your purchases. Creating an account on AliExpress is easy. First, visit the AliExpress website or download the mobile app. Then, click on the Register or Sign Up button. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll need to provide some basic information, like your email address, and create a password. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for quick and easy access. Once you've filled out the required fields, simply click on the confirmation link sent to your email address and you're ready to start shopping. Section 4. Shopping Smart. Tips for finding the best deals and sellers. Finding good deals on AliExpress is all about knowing where to look. Start by browsing the flash deals and super deal sections for limited time offers at incredibly low prices. Pay close attention to product ratings and reviews from previous buyers. This can give you valuable insights into the quality and reliability of both the product and the seller. Look for sellers with high positive feedback ratings and a significant number of transactions. This indicates experience and trustworthiness. Don't hesitate to contact sellers directly if you have any questions about their products or shipping policies. Communication is key to a smooth and successful shopping experience. AliExpress offers a convenient chat feature that allows you to connect with sellers in real time. Section 5. AliExpress in 2024 and beyond. AliExpress continues to evolve, introducing new features and enhancements to improve the shopping experience. In 2024, we can expect to see even more exciting developments, such as personalized recommendations and enhanced search functionalities. These advancements aim to make finding the products you're looking for easier and more efficient. With its vast selection, competitive prices, and commitment to customer satisfaction, AliExpress is well-positioned to continue its impressive growth trajectory. As more and more shoppers in Arizona and beyond discover the benefits of shopping on AliExpress, the platform is poised to become an even more integral part of the global e-commerce landscape. So why wait? Start exploring the world of AliExpress today and see the amazing deals that await.